Ms. Maylene Abiva, President and CEO of Felta Multimedia Inc., National Organizer of PRO and FFL Philippines. Esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Before anything else, I want to say that I am truly sorry. I would have wanted to personally join you in this important occasion. As a fellow visionary and a firm believer in the game-changing capabilities of ICT, we at the Department of Information and Communications Technology extend our full support to the World Robot Olympiad Asia Pacific Open Championship 2025. This historic event, which marks the largest international robotics competition ever hosted in the Philippines, will not only place our country on the global stage but also empower our youth to lead in the era of digital transformation. The President instructed our department to create a Philippines that is future-ready. Events like the WRO forge and strengthen the very foundation of a progressive digital future, which is through hands-on experience, networking, and a mindset of having infinite possibilities. The WRO embodies our shared vision of nurturing creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills through science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. By gathering more than 30 countries and over 1,000 young innovators, this competition serves as a powerful platform for cross-cultural collaboration, technical excellence, and exchange of ideas that will shape the future of artificial intelligence, robotics, and our digital economy. As the agency tasked with steering the Philippines toward a digital-empowered society, we at the DICT are honored to be a partner in this endeavor. We believe that investing in our youth and equipping them with the skills of the Fourth Industrial Revolution is key to building a bagong Pilipinas, one that is inclusive, competitive, and future-ready. On behalf of the ICT, I congratulate Felta Multimedia Inc. on its 25th years of unwavering commitment to robotics education in the Philippines, as well as our partners in government and the private sector who have made the milestone possible. Together, we are not only celebrating innovation, but also paving the way for a new generation of leaders who will drive national and global progress. Sa Fourth Industrial Revolution, tuloy-tuloy ang digital bayanihan dahil walang iwanan sa bagong Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang World Robot Olympiad Asia Pacific Open Championship 2025.